Hi everyone. So today we'll be talking about how to convert decimals to percent. So decimal to percent conversion. Okay. So now what does it mean? Okay. So let's start with an example. Okay. So if you have 0.328 for example. Okay. So now percent means per 100. Okay, so whenever we have to convert a decimal to a percent, so per 100, the rule is, what is the rule? We have to multiply it by 100. Okay, and then put a sign of percentage. Okay, so now let's see how does this work. Okay, so when we multiply this by 100, what does it mean? We move the decimal to two places. Okay, so this becomes 32.8%. Okay, pretty simple. So if you want to check out why we are moving the decimal to the right after we multiply it by 100, so please check out the another video that we've done, multiplying and dividing decimals by different powers of 10. Okay, so now let's try to implement this in some more examples. Okay, so let's say I have 0.8, I have 2.15, then I have 0.082. Okay, and let's take some examples here as well. We have, let's say, 1.05, then 0.279. Okay, and let's take another 1.48. Okay, so let's try to do all of these. So what is the simple rule we've learned? We multiply the decimal by 100 and then we can put the percent sign. Okay, so what do we do here? So we have 0.8. When we multiply it by 100, it comes here. So now there is no digit. So what do? We fill it with a 0. So what does it become? Becomes 80%. Okay. So now let's look at here. The decimal is after 2. We move it 1, 2. So what does it become? 215%. Okay. Now here it is 0.082. So we move the decimal 1 place, 2 place. So we get 8.2 and don't forget the percentage sign. Okay. Now it's 1.05. So we move it 1 and then 2. It becomes 105%. Similarly, we move the decimal here and here. What does it become? 27.9%. And last is 0.48. We move the decimal here and here. So what does it become? 48%. Okay. So I hope this is clear. If you have any questions, please write down in the comments below. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.